Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson. Welcome to MarineMax in Greenville. I'd like to take you through our 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX Outboard. This boat's equipped with a 4-stroke Mercury 150 outboard motor. Moving up in the back, it has a ski tow pull. Has the nice rear seating for lounging. Walk through with step. Looking through the back of the boat, has a nice built-in cooler, very handy for those days out on the lake. So if you open up the hatch, you have tons of storage you can see on this boat. Wonderful for storing all kinds of life jackets and ties and different things like that. Moving here, this boat is equipped with the Fusion stereo and the Simrad chart plotter. Nice bolted seat. Has the customizable bench seat here where you can put in 2 different figurations. Going to the bow is a nice roomy bow, more Fusion speakers up front, a removable bow cushion so you can step through and not step on the bow to get out the front of the boat. Very nice marine grade snap-in flooring. This boat would make a great family boat for cruising on the lake this summer. I want you all to come out and see this boat at MarineMax in Greenville, and check us out on MarineMaxGreenville.com. Thank you so much.